Hi, this is Adam. I'm coming to you from my summer home in Maine, and this is my last video I'll be doing as I'm traveling back to Maryland tomorrow. But I wanted to look at the dollar index. We've talked about this before. In fact, the last time was a couple of months ago. But as you can see on the chart here, we have had a fairly substantial decline in this market going back to 2001. We sort of had this area right here, and we see this kind of really defined move down, then the little recovery, then another move down, a bigger recovery, and now it looks like we're heading back down to test these lows right around the 72 level. So what's ahead? I think what you have to look at, what makes our trade triangle technology so powerful, and this is the trade triangle technology we're talking about, the monthly and the weekly. So we use the monthly, I'll write this down, we use the monthly triangles for trend. Okay, this is really simple, but it's so powerful and so easy to use. Then we use the weekly for timing. Okay, so did we catch the move down here back from 2001 to 2004, 2005? Yes. Trade triangles caught this move. Did they catch the move up here? Yes. Did they catch the move down here? Yes. I think you get the picture. But what's more important now is just to show you graphically where these triangles have come in and how you can use them in your own trading. I think you'll be very impressed when you see this. So let's take everything off the screen and let's put our trade triangles in. To do that, it's very simple. You just click here. In fact, let's scope this in a little further. So let's do the last year to date. That's 1 year. So let's just put our monthly trade triangles in. Boom. And you can immediately see the page comes up here. And let's put our weekly triangle. Well, let's just look at the monthlies for now. So if we look at our monthlies, here's the signal right here at 82.63. The market's currently trading at 76.83. So we've not had another signal in this market since then. So that's something to be really quite proud of, this move down from here. Then if we put our weekly signals in, I'll take this off the screen again, I'll just put this on and put our weekly signals in, you'll see that our last one was actually higher. So since this level here, and let me get my little pen tool in here. So since this level here, the 72.63 level, which is our monthly trend, remember that? We are indicating we've been short since that level, which is obviously very, very profitable. But let's take this out a little further, take this off the screen, and we'll scope this out so it actually looks like we're going to go further out. So let's just scope this out, say, for a 2-year period. And I'm going to move this again. And I'm going to show you where the monthlies fall in. And this is the important thing. Remember, we talked about monthly for trend, weekly for timing. So here's in fact, it'll be easier for me just to take all of the weeklies off to give you just a clear idea of how the trends work in this market. So just click here. It's very simple with MarketClub's trade triangle technology. And you can see all the weeklies. Take this off, put it here, and you can see all the monthlies. Now this is not something we do after the fact. We do this dynamically when the markets are trading. So let's just look at where these signals come in. Well, right down here, it was 73.94. 82.63 was the level that the trend changed. So as you can see here, you can say, well, Adam, how come you didn't get out of the top? Well, let's be realistic. Nobody gets out of the top. It gets in at the bottom and get close. This is a nice run up. Yes. Did we get out here? No. Did we get out here? No. Did we get stopped out here? No. Which, as I say, if we can capture this part of the move, right, this part, like the big 70 to 75% of the move, you are going to do very, very, very well. No one gets out at these levels here. If they do, it's just sheer luck. But we do have a tool for that. That's our weekly trade triangle. So let's just take everything off the screen and put our weekly trade triangles in. Even then, we didn't get out at the top, but we got out at 84.77 and got back in at 82.35. The trend was still up. Remember that the trend was up until we got out here when the trend reversed. So all of the green arrows, you would be getting into the market and then out. And you can see how that can enhance your performance. Is it right all the time? No. Nothing is right all the time, but it's right a lot of the time, and that's what's important. So using our trade triangle technology, you can enhance your performance in trading. We provide you the tools and the timing for many markets. We track over 250,000 symbols, not just the dollar index, but all the currencies, the metals, all the stocks, all the futures markets that are important. So it's all here in MarketClub. So using our trade triangle technology is really a benefit, but there's more. And I'm going to show you how that works. If we go here, this is our audio summary of the market. So I can just click here. This market's in a very strong downtrend, and with a score of -100, we expect this downtrend to continue. We'd use rallies back to resistance to institute new short positions, but protect those short positions with very tight money management stops. Okay, so there you have it. You have not only the trade triangles, but you have our talking chart technology to stay with you and help you make money in the marketplace. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from Maine. It's a postcard from Maine, my last one. I'm heading back to Maryland on Wednesday, and I'll be reporting back there when I'm back into my full digital studio, and we'll be covering a lot more markets as often as we can. So, hey, thanks for listening and tuning in, and every success in the market. We're looking at the dollar index, and it looks like it wants to go lower. So, stay tuned.